Today we are going to be making some slime, and you can make it using the simple things around your house. So you need some corn flour, any food colouring of your choice, and I've chosen yellow today, a small amount of water, a plate and a spoon. The process that we use has a scientific name to it. I'm not going to tell you that. You and your family are going to research and tell me. We'll explain a bit more. Okay, so as I said, we need some corn flour. I've got some yellow food colouring, a small amount of water, a teaspoon and a plate. The first thing that I need to do is pour a small amount of corn flour onto my plate. Oh, it looks a bit like a mountain. Next, I need to pour some food colouring into the water. Oh, I finished my food colouring, just enough to make my slime. Then I need to put a small hole in the middle of the corn flour. Give my water a little stir and pour just a small amount into. Then what you do is you start to fold it in. It becomes straight away here. Let's have a look at this. Straight away, this becomes hard. Watch what happens when I stop moving. Now, those of you that are in my class already know that Mrs. Tomlinson is magic, but this is just unbelievable. Look. Let's keep going. Let's get going and making some more slime. So we've got some really hard bits there. Okay, let's add some more water again. Use my spoon to move it in, or if you want to, you can literally just use your hands to fold it all in. Keep moving it around. Oh, this one's got a bit breaking up in my hand. And then, but look at this on the plate. Look, that's really hard. And then the minute I start moving it around, it goes to a liquid. So it goes from a really strong solid bit all the way into a liquid. Let's see if we can make any more slime. So we get all of this together. I hope you can see from this video how hard it is to move this around, so it really has become solid. Let's add some more water, just a little bit. And then look. There we have it. So you can continue adding your water and making this into some more solid slime. Mould it around and see what happens when you stop. Now, there is a scientific name for this process, and I would like you to email me with the scientific name. So here we have my slime right here. If I keep moving, it's a nice solid ball. What happens when I let it go? Have fun.